The autopsy note just says no injuries, but the hallway camera shows Nina running, full speed, then stopping dead like she hit glass. This is in winter '99 in a 3-story hotel outside Glasgow. She wasn't on a break. She clocked out, took the service stairs, and asked the night clerk for an extra key card because her room kept logging her out. 5 minutes later, she opens the stairwell door and walks straight into the boiler room. Except the next frame is black. No smoke, no power outage, just blank pixels for exactly 12 minutes. When the video comes back, Nina is sitting on the floor with her coat zipped, holding a key card that didn't belong to her. The clerk swears he never handed it over. Here's the part nobody talks about. The boiler room door was locked from the inside, the chain still on. So how did she get out?